Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video, and today we are going to be shooting this. Where is it? Right there.
The new generation BMW M3 and its M4 brethren have evolved into all-weather machines with the M-tuned X-Drive all-wheel drive system. In the looks department, the premium compact sports models have evolved into flashy rides due to the huge nostrils. However, if you can live with the big kidneys, then you'd be getting a proper driver's car that can successfully double as a daily. As for the one you're about to see in a paint job that most would mistake for a car that's been wrapped, it's the frozen Portimao blue metallic. This is the BMW G83 Competition, the open-top model with an ivory white interior. BMW M's division says that it needs 3.7 seconds to hit 100 km per hour from a standstill, and flat out it can do 250 km per hour or 280 km per hour if had with the optional M driver's package. Now that's impressive. Powering it is the familiar twin-turbo 3-litre straight-six engine that produces 375 kilowatts and 650 Newton meters of torque. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-biased all-wheel drive system, which allows you to choose between the drive variants 4-wheel drive sport and 2-wheel drive modes, with the 2-wheel drive promising a typical rear-wheel drive experience. The 2022 BMW M4 Competition X-Drive convertible carries a price tag of $2,150,000. That is $170,000 more than the equivalent M4 Coupe. Or is it coupe, potato, however you say it. There is plenty more that this car has to offer, which is not covered in this video, which includes the driving experience. Let's just say I'm waiting to get my money right, and I'll give you a first-hand experience of the drive. Until then, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this. Peace!